So first you have to know which behaviors put you at risk. Some examples are sending mean or rude messages, sharing inappropriate pictures through online posts or text messages, talking about adult subjects like sex with people you don't know, and visiting adult sites. While these behaviors may not sound very risky, each of them can contribute to getting you or a friend in trouble or putting you in danger. These are all risks you don't have to take, so choose to protect yourself by avoiding them. By now, you probably know there's some pretty crazy stuff online, and some of it is stuff you don't want to see. Many teens handle this inappropriate content by navigating away from it or even reporting it. Now that you're older, it is not only important to avoid inappropriate content online, but to refrain from posting it yourself. You should be cautious about posting images and comments that are inappropriate, such as drinking and drug use or any other criminal activity, hate speech, such as slurs against someone's sexuality, race, or religion, lewd or offensive gestures, profanity, revealing or suggestive images, and threats. Posting these things online may ruin your reputation. It may get you in trouble with parents, school, or the law. It may also damage future opportunities, such as getting into college or even getting a job.